8 Surprising Vaseline Petroleum Jelly Hacks 1. Healing cracked heels at night. Massage Vaseline into your heels, then slip on socks. By morning, the skin feels noticeably softer and dry cracks diminish. 2. Makeup removal. Even waterproof mascara. Saturate a cotton pad with Vaseline to gently remove stubborn makeup like waterproof mascara without stripping your skin's natural softness. 3. DIY Anti-Wrinkle Serum. Vaseline plus olive oil. Combine Vaseline with olive oil to create a nourishing serum. This blend helps smooth fine lines on both your face and hands. 4. Natural Rosy Highlighter. Vaseline plus beetroot powder. Mix Vaseline with beetroot powder and gently pat onto cheeks and nose for a natural, radiant flush. No foundation necessary. 5. Luxurious Full Body Moisturizer. Vaseline plus coconut oil plus olive oil. Blend these 3 ingredients for a decadent moisturizer that tackles dry, winter skin without feeling greasy. 6. Taming Frizz and Split Ends. Warm a tiny bit of Vaseline and rub it into hair tips to smooth flyaways and edge shine. 7. Brightening Body Scrub. Vaseline plus coffee grounds. Mix Vaseline with coffee grounds for an exfoliating scrub that brightens dull skin. 8. Refreshing Tired Eyes. Vaseline plus turmeric plus almond oil. Combine these ingredients to reduce dullness around the eyes and give them a refreshed, more awake appearance. 9. Bolder, thicker brows. Vaseline plus castor oil. Apply a nightly mix of Vaseline and castor oil to your eyebrows to encourage a fuller, more defined appearance. No pencil needed.